What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Dubois Family Dinner. We like to eat well on a budget.
Tonight we are going to be making crispy chicken tacos with avocado lime sauce.
Alright, so we're going to season up our breading station. So we just have plain old flour. We're going to add Tony's because it wouldn't be Dubois Family Dinner without a little bit of Tony's. We're going to season pretty heavily. And then we're going to add extra garlic powder. And then we're going to add salt and pepper. We're going to add that same spice blend to the breadcrumbs as well.
Look who just woke up.
Can you say hi, buddy?
Little sleepy. Say hi. Alright, so we've got our chicken that has been cut into strips. And now we are just going to bread it. So we are going to dip it in the flour first, and then the egg, because the egg will stick to the flour. And then last, we are going to dip it in our breadcrumbs. All right, next we are just going to shallow fry this in our cast iron pan. So for our avocado lime sauce, we are going to blend together one whole avocado, and then we are going to put the juice of half of a lime in here as well, and then a little bit of olive oil, and then some salt. And if this is too thick when you go to blend it, you can just add some water to help thin it out. What are you eating, little buddy? What is that? Is that yummy or sour? You like it? Say hi, guys.
So we're going to add some cheese to the tortilla and let that melt down. So that will be the base of our taco.
Alright, so we're just going to put together our tacos here. So with our avocado lime sauce, we're just going to smear it on the taco. And then we're just going to put a couple pieces of our crispy chicken right there in the taco.
Does that look good, buddy?
Does that look good?
Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching.